This video is a 1-minute instruction on using Notion. So let's get it on. So you're looking at something that's not that very interesting in looking at, right? It's nothing. It says untitled, empty with icon, and a bunch of options, database options below. And we're going to start from this blank template and create something really nice, okay? So I'd like to create a page of information regarding politics, let's say. So what would I name this page? I will tell you. I'll call it politics. Okay, so I just named it politics, right? And I would want to make it so when I see the page, it looks pretty. So I'm going to add a cover, okay? And so that's the cover that I want. That cover looks pretty nice, but I don't want that because it doesn't really communicate politics to me. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to hit this unsplash button, right? And I'll put politics here. Okay, so that's what comes up when politics come up, and I could pick any one of these pictures that I want, and this comes up, right? And I could go up here and reposition this picture so Obama comes up in the middle. But say I don't want to have this picture up, I want another picture that I'm not finding in their catalog. I can upload my own picture. I could choose a directory to go, and I could pick my own picture, and I will. I'll just pick this real quick. Let's see, what would you want? Okay, I'll put this picture up on this. Don't forget, this is my page. This is not online, but I'm picking this. I'm going to reposition this a little bit. I'll put it there. This is scary, huh? And I'll save position. Now that's my cover, right? That's pretty good so far. I just picked a cover. It also says add an icon. I can add an icon, and if I click on here, I could go pick an icon. I'll pick that one. Okay, so I picked an icon. I picked the name of the page, and now I can come down here. Now I could just start typing and start putting content on this page, but what I want to do is hit this slash mark. When you hit the slash, it adds what do you want to do. Like I could put the text as a heading, or all these other things. But on this one, what I would like to do is create a gallery. For some reason, I'm into galleries today. So I'm gonna put. I actually I right mouse click there, and I'm gonna delete the two because I only want to put one gallery, and right now I'm gonna put what should I name this untitled thing? Issues. Okay, so in this picture here, well, let's go back 1 second. You see, every time I hit a gallery picture, I'm going to put something new as a picture, and ignore this page 3 thing right there. I'm going to click on this button right here, right? And I'm going to click on properties. And what this says is card preview here. Do I want page content? I would like to see the page cover. Okay. So I'm going to click on this page right now, and I'm going to put Republican. Okay, and I put that there, right? But I would like to add a cover for that also, and I'll show you why. It takes a few seconds to load. Everything is cloud-based, so I'm gonna leave that cover, the cover that it picked, and I'm gonna like click on that background. Now you see what we created so far is we picked a cover for the main page. We created a page called Republicans. Let's create a new page called Democrats. Oh, it didn't take it in. Democrat, right? And I'm going to pick a cover for that too. So this is just a demonstration of how you create stuff in Notion. I don't like that, but like I will hit this Unsplash. A lot of times on Unsplash, it has I'm going to pick politics because it looked like, okay, I'm going to pick I'll pick this, and then I'll click on the background, and it'll change in a second. Okay, so that's a good picture for Democrats. Okay, and I'm going to click on the background. So now we created two databases. We created a Republican database and a Democrat database. Okay, now if I get other issues and other things that I want to post, I can, if it's a Republican thing, I could put it in here, and I could create a whole page of content. Matter of fact, what I will do here is I'll click on this, right, and I'll put plus, right. I'll put plus, right. I'll put plus. So you see how I just typed plus in. If I click on this little box here, I could turn that plus into a toggle, right? And I'm going to add something to the plus. Business op. Okay, so I put business op. Spelled it wrong. Okay, in there. Now you notice that this plus is there and that plus, and that's not there. I could drag this thing that I just posted. Now when I untoggle it, it goes business opportunity. Oh, and I could go listing things down and crazy like that. I could go as deep as I want. Now let's click on the Democrat database, and I'll respell that. It spelled it wrong, and I'm going to put I'll put plus 2. Okay. I'll put social. Okay, so I could go up here and I could turn this into a toggle, and I could take this little plus and put it in there, and then when everything else I put in here can be put into here. And each one of these items could break out into its own database and page. So we created 2 different databases and 2 different pages within that database right before your very eyes, right? I'm going to even add another view, okay? So we had the gallery view, and I'm going to put a list view here, and we'll put it list. I'll just call the list view, right? So now we have two views. I think we have 2 views. Or maybe it didn't take it. I'll put a list view, create. Maybe I didn't hit create. Yeah, that was it. I didn't hit create. So now I could view that database like a gallery, or like if I click on this, I get the gallery view, which I like. I find the gallery view way more attractive, and it helps me sort out what I want to do. If I click on search, I could go plus. Actually, the way that you do searches in here, okay, is up here. I can go plus. And I've been using this for a couple of years. So this, you could see here, in the search, it came up, I had the word plus in the Democrat or the Republican side, okay? I'm gonna go, that was just an example of how to use Notion and create a database from scratch, from nothing, you saw it was a blank page. Now I'm going to go into this bar on the left is my stuff, right? And what I created something here that I use it every single day, and I'll show you it right now. Okay. I'm gonna look for private. Okay. So this came up with my stuff, okay? And I started this out from scratch with the cover and the icon and the name. And in each one of these things, I put the things that I do. So you know how like when you're going into like your Google Drive account or something, you have to put your username, password, everything. I have all my usernames, passwords. I could jump around from one thing to the other. Thank you for destroying my video. How about Google Calendar? You would have to log in, username, password to your Google Calendar, right? So I'm clicking on that. Boom. Username, password, everything. My calendar is up in Google. Anything I click on, YouTube, boom, I'm in YouTube. And if you notice, I'm on my username and password because that's a premium account right there. If I wanted to go to the South Florida Business Journal, boom, my username and password are in there, and I don't have to do anything. I'm already in there. All my usernames and passwords, and I can jump around from account to account in all the things that I have here. I'm always updating this page every day. These are podcasts, these are passwords that I want to remember. And this is a living, breathing document. This one here, I have ideas that I put on here, because you could go from your cell phone also into your Notions account. So in this one here, I have all these ideas I put in here every day also. And it's a living, breathing, detailed account of everything. So that's my Notions tutorial for today. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you understand what Notions is. It's a Swiss Army knife that links everything into one place. So if you have to do one thing, it would be Notions, and then Dropbox and all the Google Cloud accounts and all your other accounts, Microsoft and Facebook and all your social media. Everything is in Notions. Everything is accessible. This is really a revolutionary program that I'm showing you here, and you could take advantage of. It's free. I have a paid for account because I get options like team and things like that that I like. So enjoy, have fun. I love you. See you on the next video.